Assalamu alaikum students. So here we go with the fourth lecture of your mathematics, and today we are going to discover about 6-digit number and some operations regarding 6-digit numbers. Okay, so here we go with 6-digit number. As we know that there is particular placing number order. So here we are going to discuss two standard. Number one, Pakistan standard, and number two as international standards. We have already discussed about 5-digit number, so it's not new for you. So as you can see, के Pakistani standard के accordingly we have lakhs, then we have followed by thousands, and then we have followed by ones. In lakhs we have two columns, 10 lakhs and lakhs. In thousands we have two columns, 10,000 and 1,000, and in ones we have three columns, categories, 100, 10, and unit place. And as far as we have international concern, we have two columns, thousands and ones. And in international column, they call lakh as 100,000 because there are five zeros associated with lakh, as I have mentioned it in the notes as well. So now you can see that, for example, I have mentioned a figure which is 758061. So if we are going to differentiate it, so we can as per international standards we have to write it differently, and as per international standard we have to read it differently. Similarly, there would be a different method in terms of Pakistani standards in terms of writing it and reading it. So if we talk about international standard, so we can write it as 758,061. And if we talk about Pakistani standard, it would be 7,58,061. Okay, so let's move forward. Acha ji, so I told you that we will try to solve the questions in both ways. So as you can see, there is a question in which we have the figure 584629. So I have written both table as per international and national. National means Pakistani standard. So if we talk about international standard, we read this number as 5800. Okay, 5884,629. And in terms of Pakistani national standard, we read this number as 5,84,629. So you can see that as per both standard, the reading and writing the figure gets the variation in both category of the standard. So since there are 6 digits in these figures, therefore we call them as 6-digit number. And I have, for your better understanding, has given the breakup to these digits. Okay, I have made a stair of 6 step. Okay, as you can see that 5,80,000, 4,620, and then 9. So this table, this breakup will make you easily understand how to add the number, how to locate the place value of the number, like which numeral is coming at what place. Okay, as you have different and multiple questions in your book regarding identification of the place values, the multiple tricky addition and subtraction question, and moreover I have also discussed some of tricky questions regarding these 6-digit number. So let's go ahead. So basically I have picked some questions from your book to make you more understand about the concepts regarding 6-digit number. So as you can see that there are two questions being solved. The example is also solved, and the one part of both questions are being also solved. So for example, the question number 1 is asking that there is a figure given 97,000. So the figure is asking us to count into the 100 place and then write the numbers in the missing blanks. So we can see that 97,000. So 97 is the 1000 figure, and the 000 are the 100 place. So we can move forward like 97 would be remain constant because we need to follow the 100 value. So 97,100, then 97,200, and the list goes on. Similarly, there's a question which is like 102,700. If we talk about, if we read as international standard, we read this figure as 102,700. Okay, so now we need to move forward in terms of 100. So we'll do that. 102,700, 102,800, 102,900, and the list goes on. Similarly, there is a question which is asking us to move forward in the 1000 value. So there is a figure given 98,000. So 98 is at the 1000 place, so we need to move forward in the 1000 place, keeping the 100 value constant. So it would be 98,000, 99,000, 100,000, and 101,000. These questions are basically designed to make you understand about 6-digit number and their places. Okay, so let's move forward towards more questions. So here is basically a tricky addition questions. I have solved out the question in a very simplified form so that you can solve in your book. The book pages and all these notes are usually sent to the WhatsApp group, so you can copy them out and work them out in your classwork copy. So here's a question that 5 steric means the missing number 6, then 1 3 steric, then steric 4 2, and the total sum has been given, which is 1099. So we need to find out the missing number. So you can see the solution, which is very much simplified for your better understanding, and you can see out the missing numbers, which are 5 2 6, then 1 3 1, and then 4 4 2. That would be resulting to the given condition, which is 1099. Okay, so basically listening to the maths lecture is half of the job done, and then solving it out and going for more practice, filling up the pages, that would be the half job done. Okay, so good luck. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.